Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Chase at Rocky Mountain, and today we want to show you the Tusk UTV Cargo Box for the Polaris RZR Pro R. This is going to fit the 2 and the 4-seat models. If you've been looking to get a good storage box that is built really well, easy to install with a lot of storage space, this is the box you need. It's made from powder-coated aluminum. What's nice about the aluminum is that it's super strong, but also very lightweight. This is a one-person job to lift this up and get it in the bed of the Pro R. The install process is also very simple. I put this in today for the first time in the Pro R bed, and I'd say 15-20 minutes is what it took me to get this installed. You don't have to modify anything, which is awesome. It utilizes the factory locations you already have in your bed. But this thing is big. It's 22 inches wide, 22 inches long, 14.5 inches deep. So it allows you to get a lot of cargo inside here. You've got a lockable push button latch right here in the front. And what's nice is when you do open it, you have gas struts in the back that keep that lid open. So once it's open, you don't have to worry about it falling down on your fingers. And like I said, with how deep it is and how wide it is, you get a lot of gear inside here. I've got a helmet inside here just as a reference to show that a helmet fits inside here easily. You could put a couple helmets inside here, no problem. You know, you can put stuff in here like your camping gear, your food, extra clothes, snacks, drinks, really whatever you need to take with you on your ride. This is an awesome way to do it. Now on the inside of the lid, as well as down here along the base, you've got a gasket. That's just gonna help make this thing as weather resistant as possible. What's also nice too is on the inside, there's 1/2-inch foam padding around the entire base and the outside. That's just to help protect your items. And then there also is bungee rails at the base. So when you have your gear inside here, if you do wanna use straps to help secure that, to keep that from bouncing around, that's an option too. And you can lock this latch if you do want to. Now, as far as the install process, like I said, simple. You're gonna utilize the bed mounting locations that are already there. 15-20 minutes max, you've got this thing installed, you're ready to rock and roll. And what's nice about it being so lightweight is it's really easy to remove. You just have 4 fastener knobs on the inside. You just simply remove those with your hand, lift the box out if you don't need it, put it back in there, tighten those down when you do want to have it. There are some rails that you can buy separately, so that product number is on the product page. But if you want to be able to use bungee straps or rock straps, whatever, to strap down additional gear to the top of the box, we do have some additional rails that you can pick up. Those mount right to the top and give you some good location to fasten other items down. Another cool item to go along with this is this barricade right here. So this barricade mounts right up to the bed, and it just encloses it, so you don't have to worry about your gear falling out. So with all this gear that we have inside here right now, I could take, say, a tent or whatever I need, and you actually have an awesome location right here. You can put additional gear. So again, if you have a Pro R, this cargo box with this barricade is a really good combination to get a lot of gear inside your bed. If you have questions or comments, we'd love to get those answered, so make sure leave those down below. And to grab one for yours is simple. Click on the link or head to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Just enter the year, make, and model of your side-by-side on the product page to ensure that you do get the proper fitment. If you want to stay up to date on videos like this and all the latest and greatest products for the Pro R, get subscribed, hit that notification bell, and you'll always be up to date. I'm Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.